Hi, in this lecture I'll discuss volume. So what is the volume? Volume is the amount of space occupied by a solid shape or a 3D shape, or the amount of space it has to keep other things. So first of all, let's see what is the cuboid and what is the volume of a cuboid. So volume of a cuboid is length multiplied by its breadth multiplied by its height, or we can say the area of the base of a cuboid multiplied by its height. So let's see like why we need to calculate the volume. So see, like you want to transfer or transport your goods from one place to another place, and you'll have to find the space you will need in the truck, and accordingly you can choose the right truck. So firstly you will calculate the volume of the things you have, like almirah, refrigerator, microwave oven, beds, etc., and then you will see the volume of the truck which will be used to carry these goods from one place to another place. So we can find the volume of the truck and we can find the volume of our goods, and we can see like which truck will be suitable. So as we discussed, like we can find the volume of cuboids. So like refrigerator, microwave oven will be of cuboid shapes. So there are other things which will be of different shapes. They may be of cube shape or they may be of cylinder shapes, which we'll discuss now. So let's see like how we'll discuss the area of a cube. So let's discuss how we can calculate the area of a cube. So area of a cube is, volume of a cube is side multiplied by its sides multiplied by its side, because the length, breadth and height of a cube is same. Or we can also calculate the area of a base of cube multiplied by its height or its side, because height is equal to one of its side, or we can say side ki power 3. This will give us the volume of the cube. Now let's discuss what will be the volume of a cylinder. So again, as we have seen in case of a cuboid and cube, the area of a cylinder will also be the area of the base multiplied by its height. And as we know, there are three faces of a cylinder: the top face, which is circular, the bottom face, which is also a circle, and then we have a curved face in the middle. So we know the area of a circle is pi r square. So, and if we multiply the area of its base with its height, it will give us the volume of the cylinder. So the volume of a cylinder will be pi r square, which is a area of a base multiplied by its height, which is h. So pi r square h will be the volume of the cylinder.